Seatbelts, everybody. This could or could not be a great idea. Okay, I don't know how we did it or what we did to deserve this, but so far today, everything has happened the way that we planned. It is too windy to fly. I am not gonna fly a drone in this weather. All right, good morning, everybody. Today is the first day to our content tour. I just bought a brand new drone. This is my 7th one, but mind your business. Alrighty, so just a little update. It turns out that one of our team members is having some car issues. So right now it's just me and Marnie, and we're gonna meet him once we get up to Bellingham. So just wanted to keep you guys updated. Breakfast of champions. Okay. I just spent almost 20 bucks at McDonald's.
1374, a lot, no, thank you.
Thank you.
You got the grape jam too? Shit.
And then Marnie is extremely high maintenance.
What?
Asking a fast food restaurant if she could like customize her order.
A fresh egg.
She's weak. We're about 9 minutes away from the airport, and Luan said he's gonna meet us, so he said he's gonna be there at 9 o'clock and we board at 9:15. Okay, so we just got to the airport, walking to the gate, or I don't know what the hell she's doing. Oh! You can't litter either, so you gotta pick it up. I'll pick it up since I'm such a nice guy. Okay, everybody, grab the bags, let's go.
Let's do it, girl. Yes.
So we're just waiting to board the plane. Let's bother the people, man. Let's see what people got going on. Luan got 112 SD cards.
Gotta be prepared, you don't know what's gonna happen.
Dang. Was that your ringtone?
Yeah, you got a problem with it?
Bro, you got the first ringtone, bro. You got a rotary phone? It's gonna be our life for the next 5 days. Allegiant was kind enough to let us board a little early, just so we can get some shots you guys can see. We just arrived in Vegas. For those who haven't been, right when you get off the airport, or right when you get off the airplane, it looks like this. We just got to the hotel. They upgraded me. So here's my view. Peep it. So this is what I'm looking out over. Got the entire Vegas Strip both ways. This is day 1 of everything that we got going on, and it's gonna be a lot of work, but I got a good team with me, and I think that we are going to capitalize on all these opportunities. Okay, we got a lot of work to do. Hey, so right now we're headed to the 7 Magic Rocks. This is like what we do every time we come to Vegas, but I think today we're gonna put a little bit of a twist on it. So I just bought a brand new drone, and we're gonna try to put it up. Somebody's not wearing theirs. Thank you, Luan, for ruining the video. He had one job.
And take 2.
I think all in all, we're just gonna see what we can create. Alrighty, so we just left the 7 Magic Rocks. The wind right now is crazy, so the wind advisory in Las Vegas, or I think the lady said in all of Nevada, is for real, it's serious. So right now we're headed to the sand dunes, or like I guess the dry lake beds. It's one of my favorite places to shoot. I've never seen anything like this until I got to Vegas, so I make it a point of interest every time we come to go and see this place. Again, because there's not like a lot of trees or buildings in the way, I'm assuming that the wind is going to be pretty aggressive. It is too windy to fly. I am not going to fly a drone in this weather. Maybe we can do some cool stuff with the car. Maybe we can do like some donuts. What do y'all think?
Yeah.
I like donuts.
Let's try that. Damn, bro.
Donuts.
Seatbelts, everybody. This could or could not be a great idea. Ooh. I Hold on. Did anything happen? Was it trash?
You deadass drove in a circle. You said it was that trash.
So apparently I just drove in a circle and asked if it was trash. It's kind of cool. So we get to go to all these different places around the country and just kind of create content based on like an idea that we have in our head. So a lot of times when you meet like filmmakers or creative people, the best thing you can let them do is just do what they do best and just create. We're at this like dry lake bed in the middle of wherever in Vegas or in Nevada, and it's just a blank canvas. So like as you guys can see, there's nothing out here. It's just us, several cameras, a car, and a bunch of ideas. I don't know, I mean it's just hard to say, because never in a million years have I dreamt of being in this situation where I get to come to different parts of the country, see different parts of this place, and create whatever it is that I want. It's just an amazing time. It's a crazy experience within itself. And also like, you just get to meet some pretty cool people, man. So listen, this is my kryptonite. This is what it is, all the time. Every time, you just gotta come here and spend all your money. I'm at least spending $10 here. Take like inventory, so you know what you like. Me personally, anything that's sour, it gots to go home with me. Yes, sir. So they say things like, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. Not this cavity though. This cavity's coming home with me. Gotta get this too. Gotta get this too. Okay. All right, y'all, so what do you think? Think we got a good variety for tonight? This is just to take the edge off. Oh, gotta get some of these. I'm not particularly proud of myself right now, but you guys are seeing me at my weakest point. But feel free to hate on me. $15 a pound. We might as well get a pound, right? Is that bad? That's bad? Okay. That's low-key hard. Okay, I don't know how we did it or what we did to deserve this, but so far today everything has happened the way that we planned. We all got our own rooms. All of us got our cameras in. And now we're going to the game. So we're actually super early, but the early bird gets the worm. It's our beautiful suite. Check it out. This is what I'm talking about, man. Allegiant, you guys are far too kind. Far too kind. This was on my bucket list this year for 2022, and this is the first thing that they checked off. The sky is the limit. We can only go up from here. Allegiant, I don't know what else you're gonna do, but like, I got full faith in you guys, man. I love y'all.
Is this it?
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're at like this really famous place in Fire Valley where a lot of creators have shot, like this really windy road. And right now it looks kind of cool. It's pretty clear. I got a super zoom lens, so I'm gonna see what it looks like at the angle that I'm gonna shoot it at. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's see if we can get some cool stuff. Hey everybody, so we just started our trek into the White Domes area. We really don't know what to expect. We haven't been here before, but we just really wanted to capture some really cool content and get some really cool B-roll for you guys to kind of see what it is that we see. So one thing that we really wanted to focus on is the creativity and making sure that we're hitting certain things in this space that a lot of people don't get to see. Hence as to why we're off the kind of the main path. I hope we don't run into any wildlife. As you guys know, I'm probably afraid of it. I'm excited for you guys to see it. Stay tuned. I've always liked these types of videos that are more like informative instead of just like talking about the things that someone gets to do that not everybody gets to do. Stuff like this, I want to make it so it's accessible for everybody. And one thing that I'm going to do, actually, just thought of it now, we're going to be giving out a $500 gift card every vlog for someone to come see and do the things that we do in the city that we just left. So we're going to talk to our buddies over at Allegiant Airlines, and we're going to see if they can help us out with some travel for you guys. And we may come to a city near you. So if we do, show us some of the sights in your city. Thank you.